Today, we're going to build a flying saucer using 8 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to need to attach our 2 6x6 inverted radar dishes like this. And to do that, we're going to get one of these tan Technic pins. You're going to put it so that small part goes into the hole of one of our inverted radar dishes. And now I'm using the tan because I think it gives it a more secure fit, but you can see kind of a little bit of the color sticking out. So if you want, you can use a step down in this light bluish gray one, and it will hold together, but it's not as secure a fit. So I prefer the color difference than the looser fit. So what I'm gonna do is grab these 2 radar dishes, put them together so the holes match up, and that Technic pin holds them together like this. Now to create the top, we're gonna grab a translucent dome piece and put it on the top 4 studs of our flying saucer. And here we have our UFO zipping through the skies, but we're not done yet. I want to put landing gear on this thing in case it wants to come down to the surface. So we've got these 4 studs here. So we're going to grab 4 of these levers or joystick pieces and just put them on all 4 studs. And once you've done that, you're going to need to position these levers so that the UFO is stable as it makes its landing onto the ground. But it's not very hard to do. You just kind of move them around like that. And then, ooh, we've made contact. Now, we could stop there, but there's another cool thing that you could do with this flying saucer. If you want, just get rid of those landing gear here. We don't need those legs anymore. And we're going to grab these round bricks. And I didn't put this in the piece count because you can use as many as you want. You can use whatever color you want, but I think the translucent really looks good. And what you do is you grab these translucent round bricks and you put them underneath on those bottom studs where our landing gear were. And now our UFO has a tracking beam.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.